Who wouldn't want a detachable grill on the front of their car Land Rover? It's unsurprising that Jamie Oliver made his custom Land Rover Discovery into a kitchen. But we're still not sure how they managed to cram all that stuff into one SUV. Land Rover brought Oliver to its special vehicle operations and told him that anything is possible. From there, the requests started off naturally enough: a toaster and a fridge. Sure, no problem. But what they ended up with is marketing gimmick gold. The Discovery's add-ins cover extendable work counters, meat grinders, slow cookers in the engine bay, rear window herb gardens and wheel-mounted butter churns, to name a few. It's too bad Oliver's Disco is in the UK, because if he brought it to the States, he'd probably be the most popular guy at any tailgate. Jamie Oliver's Land Rover's kitchen will make any chef envious.